here is our garbage disposal, and here's Denise in the dark. Let me turn around. And there we are, and Sonja. And we are going to, let's see. Just a minute, turn it around. Is that it? No. Where is it? Oh, you can't turn a video around. So we have turned off the power breakers. We
To everything originally, until we discovered it's only the dishwasher and the garbage disposal.
Yeah, we've actually found a, what do you call those things?
Lever?
No, the circuit. No, the breaker. We found the breaker for the garbage disposal. So we went and did that one. Okay, so now here we are. This is the sink where...
The old one.
Yeah, and we're closing in on the old garbage disposal. We've got nice bright lights to show you, okay? And then we have our new one right here that we're going to put in. And Denise has been checking parts. She's got her handy wrench. And here are the directions. You always need directions. And what else?
Whether we can follow them.
And here are some pieces that we're going to put on the disposal. Okay, so look what we have done. We have pulled that thing off. Take a bow.
Where's our screwdriver?
Over here.
Round.
Yes.
White, black, black.
Okay, so we have rescued the wires from the can.
Do you have a towel?
It's upside
we
down.
We can dry this.
Are we dripping directions at all? do you think we should read them? And you say,
nah.
Oh.
Details.
Look, she's like, okay, well, so it's just because it's still decomposing. Announcement to make. Okay, we got.
Oh, okay, we got to do the dishwasher notch.
What's that? Oh, we got to see how
Take that.
pretty this is up here.
Oh, yeah.
Just take a look and be so. Look at that. It's new. We got it in there, and we did it, and there it is. Isn't that cool? We couldn't be. Right. We couldn't be more excited. We have decided that we have to go to Lowe's because we're missing a piece under there that, as you can see, it's not.
It's not going to connect.
Moment of truth. We've been to Lowe's and we've talked to Brett and we talked to the plumber husband and we came up with this.
Screw it.
Okay, go ahead. You can screw it in. All right. The moment of truth is here and we are excited. Oh, here.
We're here somewhere. We are about to saw.
We're in the basement.
I'm going to count my digits.
In the
just
garage.
in case I am missing
And we're going to saw this. Watch out, it's wet. We're going to saw this. I should see how we're doing this. We're going to saw this, okay, so that it will fit in the pipe. Okay, so we have filed our piece, and now we're going to put it in, and we are so excited. And here we go. All right. Water. And Denise is doing the quality control check.
I'm a water inspector.
Oh, the water inspector.
No
This is exciting.
leaking
The water's
there.
running into the sink. And nothing is going into the bucket, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing is going into the bucket.
Okay,
Look at
I'm
that.
going to go turn the
Okay.
elect.
I'm so excited.
Thank you, Jesus.
We are so excited.
We are
Woo! Now I turned it on. Denise is about to turn on the disposal. Ready? Drum roll, please.
1, 2, 3.
It's running.
Check the leaks.
It's not dripping. There's no leaks to check. It sure is noisy. It is noisy. Oh. We are about to test our disposal. We're going to put a lemon. Ah! Oh! Did you do it yet? Yes. Oh. Does it work? Oh, I'm sorry. That works. No leaks. Awesome.